Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Gruetzner here with another Family Law Friday. This week, I'm answering the question of, my ex always outdoes me at Christmas with my kids. What can I do? So this can be just really difficult because it is very common for parents to want to be the best and ensure that their kids just love and appreciate them more than their other parent or just as much as their other parent. But that can be so damaging to your kids, first of all. So if you find yourself having that impulse, just fight it, first of all. But second of all, if you can't afford to have an outlandish Christmas for your children, which many people cannot, then think about some other things you might be able to do for your kids that will be special and unique that their other parent won't be able to do with them. So one thing, for example, that you can do, instead of giving gifts to your kids, you can give them experiences. For example, take a full day off of work and take your kids out of school for a day and have a snow day with your kids and make snowmen and go sledding and drink hot chocolate and eat pizza and play your favorite board games. Give them a special day that will be something that they just won't forget. Another thing you can do is spread out Christmas. So you can tell your kids, this year, instead of getting all of your gifts at Christmas, every month you're going to get one new item or one new gift. And so effectively, it's allowing you to still have a special ongoing relationship with the kids, but not feeling terrible because you didn't snag that $500 PlayStation 5. The other tip I have for this, and this is a tip of what not to do not tell your kids that you can't give them a good Christmas because of something that your ex has done or is doing. So, for example, don't tell your kids, I'm sorry, I couldn't afford the PlayStation 5 because your mom takes all my money. Don't involve your children in that kind of behavior. Obviously, if you believe you're overpaying your ex, contact a family law attorney to see if your child support or your alimony needs to be modified. But do not involve your kids in it. Conversely, don't say to your kids, well, I wish I had the money, but your dad doesn't pay me anything in terms of child support. No. Again, if you're being underpaid, contact a family law attorney and have them review your circumstances and determine whether a change in child support makes sense for you. But don't bring your kids into adult issues. You really should never do this, but especially do not do it at Christmas. Remember that it's up to you to create your holiday experience for your children. And remember, your kids are watching you. So even though it might not feel great, go ahead and wish your ex a Merry Christmas or a Happy Hanukkah at your next parenting time exchange, if it applies. Be nice to each other. And remember that your kids are half of them too. If you're having issues with your ex and you need to consider whether you have to change your child support or your alimony, give our office a call. We're here to help. And otherwise, have a great, safe, and happy holiday season.